Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. With QuickBooks Online, you can combine multiple reports and charts together into a single document called a management report. Then, you can use the management report for presentations, email it, or download it for later reference. Let's go over how to create a management report and then explore ways to access and distribute it. Go to Reports, Management Reports. You start with these management reports. When you want to run one of them, select a date range for the report. Then Preview. Your management reports have a cover page with info about your organization and its logo, followed by a table of contents, and reports built from data you've recorded in QuickBooks. You can download and print the report from here. You can also download and print the report without previewing it. Select the report's drop-down arrow and choose what you want to do. You can also send the report through email. If you'd like to change the reports or anything else about the management report, select Edit. This is where you can change what appears on the cover page. Select a style for the cover page, logo options, the title of the page, and more. You can add or remove a table of contents, and you can add other pages with notes and summaries that appear immediately before the reports. This is where you change the reports that appear on the management report. You can select and drag reports to change the order they appear in. Select the pencil button to change the report, report title, and reporting period. For some reports, you can add columns for comparison. You can also remove reports and add reports. If you use QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can add charts. The charts you see here come from your custom reports. Check out this video to learn more about how to create custom reports and charts in QuickBooks Online Advanced. You can also add pages for conclusions or disclaimers that appear after the reports. When you've finished customizing your management report, select Save and Close. If you changed one of the pre-built management reports, you'll need to enter a new name for it. Your edited version appears on the list with the pre-built management reports. You can also create your own management reports without starting from a pre-built report. Now you're ready to create your own presentation-worthy management reports.